How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about pectus excavatum treatment exercises. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So pectus excavatum is a congenital deformity of the anterior thoracic wall in which the sternum and rib cage grow abnormally. This produces a caved-in or sunken appearance of the chest. It can either be present at birth or not developed until puberty. Believe it or not, the upper back musculature is a major player in the treatment of pectus excavatum. By working your upper back, your posture will begin to enhance. Most people have rounded shoulders or poor posture. By working your upper back, your scapula is going to naturally retract, you guys, making your pectus excavatum not as noticeable. So the exercises I will show you guys are going to be fairly straightforward. The first exercise that you can do is band pull-aparts. I will put a link to the description box where you guys can buy the band pull-aparts, you guys. So in order to do band pull-aparts, you want to get a grip about shoulder width, and all you're going to do is retract your scapula. So what I mean by that, all you're going to do is pull your arms to the side like so. This will naturally retract your scapula. Now when doing this, you want to have a pronated scapula. So this is neutral scapula, this is retracted. Retracted is just pushing your shoulder blades back. So that's retracted, that's neutral. Pronated is pushing your shoulder blades forward. So to do the band pull-aparts, you want to have pronated scapula, and then all we're going to do is simply pull our arms back like so. So again, we want a pronated scapula, and then all we're going to do is we're going to pull our arms backwards like so. That's all we're doing, you guys. Very simple, very easy to do. The next exercise that we're going to do is going to be ab wheel rollouts, and I will put a link in the description box if you guys want to buy the band pull, or if you want to buy the ab wheel rollouts. I highly recommend buying this. This is one of the best exercise tools that you can do. So to do the ab wheel rollout, all we're going to do is go on our knees, and all we want to do is try to go as far as possible with the ab wheel rollout. You're going to feel some tremendous pressure on your abdominal muscles. As you get better at doing these, you can go for longer periods of time, and you can go quite farther with your ab wheel rollouts. So as you guys can see, I can go a pretty good distance. I do practice with the ab wheel rollout. It does help with the abdominal muscles. The next exercise that we're going to do, you guys, one that I really like to do, is going to be body weight snow angels. So to do a snow angel, all you're going to do is keep your arms on the floor like so. Now what we want to do is raise up our arms, and then all we're going to do is go to the side like so. So we're going to raise our arms, and now move them to the side, back and forth, you guys. If this gets too easy for you, what you can do is put weights in your arms. This will make it much harder to perform, you guys. So again, to make the exercise harder, put weights in your arms, and then just simply do the snow angels like this. This will help with the pectus excavatum, you guys. Trust me on this, trust me. So do these exercises. Again, I have put links in the description box to resistance bands and the ab wheel rollouts. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.